Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install for the first time ever, as you guys can tell by the title. So I got this hair from Eunice, and this is my first time, like I said, purchasing any type of wig or anything. So I didn't even know how long it was going to be, but I think this is an 18-inch, and I think it's like basically the same length as my hair. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer, so next time I will go maybe like a 20 or 22. Probably a 22. But yes, it has like some brown highlights and stuff in it. I will list the hair link down below. But yes, this is my first time, so if I do mess up, please do like leave me some tips and stuff in the not in the description box, but in the comment section down below. And Merry Christmas, because it is, what time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock on Christmas Day, and I'm trying to get this install done for Christmas tomorrow. And I finished wrapping gifts, but y'all don't care about that. So yeah, we're about to get into it. And yes, I'm excited. Hopefully it turns out good. So I just went ahead and braided my hair back like this so it can fit better in the wig. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig cap. I'm not sure how they like secure it back here. I didn't see like too many videos on this part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down like that, and then just kind of loop it in until I can get the wig cap on, like that. Hopefully that will be good enough. And I did go ahead and try and slick my edges back. It's definitely a learning process. I think I'm supposed to cut the ears, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'd be scared to do this. So I think now I'm supposed to spray the Got2b glue down. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Got2b right here. All right guys, so I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off. See, I don't want my baby hairs to be showing. And I can see it right there. Maybe I need to like fix that or something. I'm scared. How do I get that to stay down? I don't know how they cut. I guess it takes practice. But I have to spray some more because my baby hair is right here and I'm not trying to. Bear with me. I'm just gonna come back when this is figured out. All right, you guys let me know if I did that right. I feel like I did it wrong, and I'm not really liking how it's not like flush to the skin, but I guess that's just because of the type of wig cap that I used. Don't remember which one. It might have been a stocking wig cap that I got from like the beauty supply store. Now I'm just gonna take some alcohol because I'm about to do the glue, which I'm really scared to do. Cause all my like baby hairs are, I'm scared. All my baby hairs are out. Like I don't understand how people get all their baby hairs inside. I want to take you guys along the process of my mistakes. So I'm noticing that you can still see this. I haven't like applied any foundation or spray to it yet. This is 18-inch body wave hair, by the way. And I mean, I can pull it down a little more. I just feel like it's not gonna look as natural. And yeah, so I might try and see if I can cut this a little more. And then I'm gonna obviously try and create some baby hairs. So wish me luck. Okay guys, so I'm really confused. This wig comes with combs. I put this cap on my hair, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna fit the combs in here. But I was thinking I wasn't gonna put that much glue because some of my edges are still out and I don't wanna take that risk. And you know, when I take this off, my edges are gone. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go a little lighter on the glue over here. But right now, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put like 3 layers of this and wait till it dries before applying the next layer. And I'm gonna try and pluck this wig, the hairline, so that it looks natural. I don't know if I should wait to put it on to do that or if I should just do it while I'm waiting for it to dry. So that's where we're at right now. Alright, so right now I'm gonna use my hot comb. I've already started using it. Kind of forgot to record just to kind of flatten the top portion of it. I didn't get a wax stick. That's like the one thing I didn't get. I actually had it in my cart and was like, I don't need it. It's looking real messed up on this side though. That's okay. It's a learning experience. All right, right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Hey guys, so I'm back and I finished the install. Sorry I didn't show it to you guys because it was really hard for me to do. It's actually like 3 days past when I originally started, so I had just like cornrows in my head this whole time, but it was really hard. I give major props to people who do this by themselves because it is a learning process for sure. It looks pretty decent. One thing I do need to work on are my edges because I kind of cannot get that down, and then it looks pretty tragic under there, so we're just gonna keep that down. I need help. I need to practice more. One thing I couldn't understand really was the glue. It didn't dry. Like, it was taking forever to dry out, or I don't know if I'm just applying it wrong, but it took like forever to dry, and I kind of got a little bit impatient, so that's probably why it's like tacky underneath. And then I feel like maybe the wig just didn't really fit my my head, because like I feel like it's back further than it needs to be, but it does look pretty decent. Overall, I feel like the hair is okay. It's a little frizzy. There's not really that much shedding, but yes, I think it came out good for my first time putting a wig on myself. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section, but I'm sorry I didn't go ahead and record the process because I didn't think it'd be actually helpful to you guys because I made so many mistakes, and then it took me forever to like kind of just like make it do what it do. So this is what it's looking like. Again, I need to work on my edges. I need to work on pretty much everything, but it's a good start. Next year we're going to master this because I do want to, you know, change up my hairstyle. So I think this is good. I'm gonna come back maybe with some makeup on so I can look done up. But yes, this is how it turned out. Yes, I'll have all of the information on this wig in the description box. So yes, I think I am definitely gonna go longer next time, but it doesn't look that bad once it's curled. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I just went ahead and kind of put on a little bit of makeup just so the look can really come together. But it is, sorry that's my son in the background, but it is definitely some adjusting to get used to because I am not used to dark hair on me. Overall, I feel like I did not know what the heck I was doing, so this was definitely a learning experience. And I do have another wig. I bought 2 from Eunice. They were like 4x4. Like, it was really weird. So I think next time I'm gonna try and do like a more like beginner friendly wig because it was really hard for me to do this. I have problems with the glue and it not drying quick enough. I'm like, I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait for it to dry. Like, it literally was taking forever. But I like the hair. At first I wasn't too sure of it because it looked like really frizzy, but I did go ahead and recurl it a little bit. This is, I believe, Body Wave. So I recurled it a little bit and it looks a little bit better, and it's so soft. Very minimal shedding. It was a lot of shedding. Of course, when I was trying to pluck, I stopped doing that because I did not know what I was doing. But this is 18 inches. Stand up a little bit so you guys can see. This is 18 inches. And I actually love the length. Yes, boo-boo. But yes, I'll have all the information in the description box below. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I was expecting a different color, a lighter color. So I might go ahead and like bleach this, like these two pieces right here, because I just feel like it needs like some color in the front of the wig. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks decent, but when you like pull it back, it's like a mess under there, and that's why I'm happy that it's hidden, because I just need to practice. I need to get better. But if you watch this video, thank you. It's not meant for you to learn from me because I'm still learning. But yeah, if you just wanted to see me, what I was trying to do and how I got this, then go ahead, and if you liked it, then go ahead and, you know, give me some thumbs up. Happy New Year, and let's be more consistent in 2022, because 2021 was like all over the place and we weren't consistent, or I wasn't consistent. So that is a major goal for me, is to be more consistent on YouTube, more consistent on Instagram, and to get my following up on TikTok. I feel like TikTok is just like killing it right now. This is supposed to be a hair video, but I'm over here ranting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.